Okay, so let's have a look at the adjustment for goods in transit. And with this, once again, we're using the 2017 M.Mullen sole trader account. So when you get a goods in transit question, it means that we've purchased goods and they're being delivered to us. So no record had been made in the books for goods in transit on the 31st of 12, 2016. So this means that the following accounts need to be adjusted. So our purchases are going to increase because we've purchased goods. Our closing stock is also going to increase because you have the 31st of 12th, 2016. So this is our closing stock figure. It's going to increase for the end of the year. And our creditors then are also going to increase because we owe them that money. So the invoice for these goods have been received showing a recommended retail selling price. So it's telling us that the recommended retail selling price is 16,000, which is cost plus 25%. So this 16,000 is actually 125%. So cost is always 100%, and then plus 25%. So 125% is equal to 16,000. So that means then that 1% is equal to 16,000. Divide that by 125 is equal to 120. So 100% then is equal to 128. Multiply that by 100. So the cost of these were 12,800, and that's what we need to increase our purchases by, increase our closing stock by, and increase our creditors by. So from this, I know that doing the previous adjustments that we have a purchases figure as part of adjustment 2 that has been, the purchases figure has been adjusted. So that is 5,650. And you can just go back up to that purchase figure and adjust it in that working that you have. You don't have to bring them down here. So that means that our purchase then is going to be 519,300. I know as part of number 1, my closing stock is 75,000 also needs to be adjusted. So once again, you'll go back up to your closing stock adjustment and you'll add on 12,800 there. And then creditors then, as part of working 6, the creditors figure is going to be adjusted. So once again, you'll go back up to that working and you'll adjust the creditors figure that you have there by 12,800. Okay, so that's just how to do your goods in transit. Remember 3 accounts that you need to adjust: your purchases, your closing stock, and your creditors. So your purchases then, when you adjust it, that'll go as part of your trading. Your closing stock will be in your trading and your current assets, and then your creditors then will be in your balance sheet as part of your current liabilities. And that's how you adjust your goods in transit. So remember, you don't have to do this part here. You can go back to your working and adjust the figure that you have there instead of doing it here.